I bought several power tools and hand tools the past few weeks, and two of which were from Mitsushi, a company known selling affordable power tools online. Of course, it's still coming from China. The good thing is it has a distributor here in the Philippines. I bought an electric nail gun at 1,291 pesos and an industrial type heat gun at 480 pesos and 50 centavos. The prices already include shipment fees. I personally don't expect at its low prices these tools perform at par with known brands of power tools. For the nail gun, you can't however compare it with the pneumatic nail gun that uses air compressor. In fact, you have to exert a little force against the work surface for the nail to be completely buried to the wood. In short, it has less hammering power, but it does the job if you just exert a little force. Ito na siya guys, balot sa isang plastic case, although the plastic case is not really intended for this tool because kung titingnan mo sa loob, iba yung forma ng case. Basta lang nilagyan nila ng case yan para at least may case yan. But anyway, we should be grateful for having that case. Now, ito siyang nails niya, binili ko separate from the tool. Now, if you try to check, the nail gun is actually very sturdy. It is made of, or the body is made of hard plastic material, so it doesn't look cheap. Then may butas siya dito. Itong butas dito is parang exhaust nut niya para at least kung mainit medyo ma-release yung singaw ng hot air. Okay, so this is the handle is also very nice. Maganda yung grip niya, and saka makikita mo dito may mga perforations siya so that your grip would be tight on the handle. Okay, now so parang para pistola talaga. Now the trigger, pakinggan nyo, it sounds good. Okay, so when you fire the nail, you just push once and you can hear a blasting sound. So aside from the trigger switch here, sa baba makikita mo meron din siyang power switch, and this is for our safety. So naka-position yan, naka-on yan. If you want this to be always on safe position, you turn this off. So nakalagay siya sa 0, that's off. So you should always turn off before and after using the nail gun. This is for our safety, okay? So once you plug it on to the AC outlet, naka-off siya. Here, the nozzle, titingnan natin, it's made of steel. It looks strong, okay? Basta kung titingnan mo, pulido ang paggagawa nito. Very, sturdy. Now, this is the magazine, the nail magazine. Tawag na is nail magazine also. So, para pistola talaga. If you want to check or load the nails, you just push this latch lock inward. Pag push mo niyan, tingnan mo. Okay, so lalabas yung unlock siya at makikita mo yung nails. Yung nails niya is up to 30 mm. So in other words, you can put shorter nails here, and there are rails here that serve as the guide for the nails. Okay, so it works like a real gun or a stapler. Okay, may spring siya sa loob that pushes the nails. So pag mag-load ka, yung pointed portion ng nails papunta doon. Okay? So ganun siya. Now, if you want to lock that, you just do this. It's like a gun actually. So again, so if you open that, you just push inward the latch lock. Okay? You see that? Then, if you want to lock, then just okay, ikaw na. Take 2. If you want to lock, just push hard. Okay? So, ganun lang. This gun is actually a 2,400 watts gun. Again, nakalista dito 30 mm. And it can fire nails at 360 pieces per minute or 6 pieces per second. I haven't tried that, okay? Di ko to na-try. Now, ang plug naman niya, the AC plug is very sturdy. This is a 10 ampere plug, and you can see here, very strong siya. And the cable here is appropriately sized. So, this is for our safety. So, try natin dito. As you can see, may mga tinesting ko na dyan. So, try natin again. I'll nail, then I'll apply force para mas titingnan natin kung dito tayo titira. Titingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung bala. Okay, so titingnan natin. Yun siya. Kaso lang, medyo dented din yung wood. Try natin ulit. Yun, medyo light lang yung force na apply ko sa wood. Tingnan natin. Kung makikita nyo, may distance pa. Nakikita pa yung ulo ng nail. So, ganoon siya pag hindi masyado malakas yung force na in-apply mo doon sa nail mismo. So, kailangan talaga mag-apply ka ng konting force para yung ulo ng nail talagang ma-bury mo talaga doon sa wood. Just like this one. Okay, and this one also here. Yung mga samples ko dito, tinignan, you see. So, kailangan mo pa ng hammer para to completely bury the nails. This is only for wood. Don't attempt to nail the tacker on concrete pavement or stones, as the nail might bounce back and will cause injury. Just like a rail gun, don't aim this nail gun when it is plugged to an electrical outlet against a person, even if the magazine is empty. There's a saying, empty gun can kill. On the other hand, the heat gun is a 2,000 watt device. It can release 300 to 500 liters of hot air at 100 to 650 degrees Celsius. There's no plastic case here for the heat gun. It's only put inside a box. But the body of the heat gun also looks sturdy like the nail gun. This is made of hard plastic, and it has also some holes here for ventilation. This is where the cool air passing through. Then the nozzle here is chrome plated siya. Dito lalabas yung mainit na hangin. And the switch here serves as a power switch and at the same time wind speed control. Kung titingnan mo, nakalagay dyan 0, 1, 2, but nakalabel dyan is off ang baba, ang gitna is low, and up is high. Okay, so this is a double throw switch. So high, low, medium, baba is off. Meaning the airflow yan. Okay? Then, and the rear knob here, kung makikita mo, may rear knob here, nakalagay low to high. So, dito nakalagay also low to high. You can rotate this clockwise and counterclockwise. If you rotate clockwise, it means you're going up or you're increasing the temperature from low to high. So, this is from 100 degrees to 650 degrees Celsius, and it is always advisable, or it is advisable, to turn down the temperature back to the lowest setting before you turn off the switch. This will allow the heat gun to release all the hot air inside the gun. Other models of this heat gun, meron siyang ditong display. Okay? Nakalagay yung mga mamahalin na versions nito. Dito sa likod niya meron siyang LCD display. Dito mo makikita yung level ng temperature or ng heat. And also the AC plug here is also very sturdy. So we are assured that this plug complies with the specifications. I'm setting this heat gun at high, so it's about 650 degrees. I'm going to heat the water inside the mug, and I'll try to check if it can boil. This is medium setting. Let's see. The mug is very hot. Although the water did not boil, I just stopped the testing, but the mug is already very hot. Pwede pang kape na to. Ang maganda lang dito, yung handle niya hindi siya init. At saka yung body, yung red na body, hindi siya mainit din. Hanggang dito medyo may init konti. Pero okay lang, it's just parang warm lang. Dito mafe-feel mo lang yung init, yung black. But the handle itself wala ka ma-feel na init dito. So talagang safe siya. Like the nail gun, do not point this to any person while operating. It can cause injury. And also, don't use this as a hair blower. I don't know if there are Mitsushi tools available in our local hardware stores, but definitely you can buy this from online selling platforms like Lazada. More reviews of power tools coming up, so please subscribe to this channel, High Tech to Buy, and click that notification bell for you to be notified of new videos. Daghang salamat, ako si Jun Tariman, High Tech to Buy.